platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, Toptal, and others. Each platform has its own specialties and client base. 4. Create a profile. Profile description. Write a compelling profile description that highlights your skills, experience, and what sets you apart from other freelancers. Portfolio. Showcase your best work in your portfolio section. This helps clients see the quality of your work. 5. Bid on projects. Search for jobs. Browse the available projects on the platform and apply for those that align with your skills and interests. Custom proposals. Write personalized proposals for each project, addressing the client's needs and explaining how you can provide value. 6. Set competitive rates. Pricing. Determine your pricing based on factors like your skill level, experience, the complexity of the project, and the market rate for similar services. 7. Communication. Prompt responses. Respond to client messages promptly and professionally. Good communication is crucial in freelancing. 8. Deliver quality work. Client satisfaction. Ensure that the work you deliver meets or exceeds the client's expectations. This can lead to positive reviews and repeat business. 9. Build relationships. Client relationships. Foster positive relationships with clients. Repeat business and referrals can be significant sources of income in freelancing. 10. Manage finances. Invoicing and payments. Set up a system for sending invoices and receiving payments. Many platforms offer built-in invoicing features. Taxes and expenses. Keep track of your earnings, expenses, and taxes. Freelancers are responsible for managing their finances. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.